The Lifeholder table lamp is a perfect addition to any office, bedroom, or living room as it gives off a warm light. So how do you set it up? All you have to do is take off the wooden fabric shade here, and you'll notice that there's a ring, and that ring is going to be secured down with this particular holder that I'm spinning off right now. So take that off, place the shade securely on there, and then you're going to want to screw on this washer holder that will hold this shade in place. And once you get that secured down, as you can see, it's secure. What you want to do is you want to find a light bulb. You can use a bright light or more of a warm light, but make sure it's no more than 60 watts. I have an LED that I'm using that I will screw in, and you can switch it on with this button that's 25 centimeters from the base, and it's a beautiful addition to any environment.